Spot Chiller for Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts and Team G503 here on YouTube. Got a simple one for you, but a very important one nonetheless. We've got the windshield or windscreen catches or latches. Which one do you think that they're actually called? There's a part number and it's in the part book, and I know because I had to look it up. They catches or they latches? Anyways, they're simple little pieces that go on the dashboard of your GPW or your Willys MB, and they are very important because they do play a major part in keeping that windshield secure when it's in the up position. I'm going to show you where they go, how to put the screws in this video. It's a short one, but it's got to be done nonetheless because all these pieces come together in the end to make a fantastic vehicle. Here we go. Let's put those little catches or latches on the Jeep.
Start out by taking a look at the instrument board here. You'll notice these two pieces of steel that are welded on top of the actual board itself to give it a little strength, and on those is a little notch or a raised profile. Here's the actual hardware. It's part number A2791, the windshield clamp catch, and part number A2798, the mounting bracket, or sometimes called a tapping plate, and the screw size is 1/4 20 by 3/4, a flathead screw. The plates that are mounted on the dashboard there, they have a little raised notch in them for the teeth that are in the actual catch, so the catch will stay secure when you fasten it. I'll take the tapping plate and I'll show you the orientation of that. Notice the dimples on the back side. That's going to go away from you when you mount this underneath the side of the dashboard. All of the part numbers and descriptions are available in the video description itself and are available at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. I've removed the screws and I'm going to go ahead and take the bracket or the tapping plate and place it behind the slotted holes there that you see. I'm going to line it up almost in the middle. Seems to be a good starting point and a reference. And then I'll go ahead and take the actual catch itself, and the teeth are going to go downward as they would catch that little raised nub that's on there, as you can see there, and the hook would go towards the top. Go ahead and take your fingers and just screw that in finger tight for the time being, and then take your second screw and do the same thing on the bottom hole. This is not going to be important right now, but when we install the windshield, this is going to be important as those act as a actual pull down to compress the rubber gasket between the windscreen and the cowl. Using a slotted screwdriver, I'm just going to drive these in just until they're just a little bit snug. Like I say, when we install the windshield, this is going to be adjusted, so for the time being, I'm going to leave them loose just like this. The catch on the passenger side is a little bit easier to install. It's installed the same way as the driver's side, but it's a little easier because you can access the back bracket there through the glove box. I hope you're noticing all the scuffing on here because it's almost time to paint.
And there you go. That's it. That's how they go in. Not real hard, but just little locations that people sometimes see a visual of the parts that you actually need. All those fasteners that I showed you in this video are available at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. That's at www.rfjp.com. And if you'd like to follow along with what we've been doing and what we are going to be doing in the near future on the Team G503 video series here on YouTube, please subscribe. I'm personally inviting you to, and click that bell button down there so you know when we release new videos. Until next time, my friends, stay tuned for that next video. Now, give it a couple more days. We're going to paint that body for last time, and hallelujah. And happy Jeeping. See you next time, my friends.